Hi, Dave here for Real Wheels Corporation with a look at our American-made stainless steel wheel simulators for 2012 and up Sprinter 3500s with 16-inch dual steel wheels on the rears. All of our wheel simulators and wheel covers are made from heavy gauge, high quality, non-magnetic 304L stainless steel, which means they will not rust, pit, corrode, or turn yellow. And each cover is hand polished to a mere shine in our in-house buffing department. That's why we are able to offer a lifetime guarantee on the workmanship of each cover and its mirror shine finish. The first thing you'll notice is that the side profile of the front cover and deep inset of the rear cover simulate the look of aluminum wheels. This really gives your truck an outstanding appearance. Competitor wheel covers simply mimic the look of plain steel wheels. For styling, Rear Wheels has added 18 beveled round cutouts that match the factory wheel holes and domed centers that really enhance the look of the wheel cover. The lug nut cover bump out design prevents curbing, damage, eliminates missing lug nuts, and makes cleaning easy. Rear Wheels center emblems come standard. Fleet, OEM, and custom emblems are available with minimum order. You'll appreciate our unique and simple mounting systems. The front simulator features our hook mount system. Simply align the hooks with the wheel holes and engage. Then tighten to secure each hook. For the rear simulator, simply install the brackets under the axle nuts. Then align the holes in the wheel simulator with the holes in the mounting bracket and secure with the mounting screws. The rear simulators are also available with our American-made, high-quality, stainless steel braided valve extensions for easy air pressure monitoring and access. The rear mounting brackets come with tabs incorporated into the design for easy air valve extension mounting. You'll be impressed at the upgraded appearance these American-made stainless steel wheel simulators give your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. Rear Wheels also offers simulators for the 2004 to 2011 Sprinter 3500, and if you have a single rear wheel Sprinter van, see our video that highlights those covers. For more information, visit our website at realwheels.com or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180. And to receive notifications of new videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.